Welcome. First, we have to download our web desktop. Click on this. Then in Product, Power BI Desktop. Then Download Free. After click, download will start. Power BI Desktop. Collaborate and share. This is not required now. Now skip this. Close this window. This is your working area, working window on Power BI. Let's start. Here is input data from Excel. You can import data from Excel, and you may import data from SQL Server, or you can simply paste into the blank table. Let's try. One sample data is here, nearly about 1000 rows, 6 columns. This is the data of a cookies company, salesperson name, country names, product names, and dates for shipping 2022, and amount and boxes shifted, how many boxes shifted to which countries. Import data from Excel. Click on this. Open. Navigators. Click on data. Data is shown here. In bottom, load button, transfer data. You may directly load or you may transfer data. If data is messy, data is not clean, then you have to transfer data. Here we take a sample, so data is clear data, so direct load. Loading is going on. Here right side, your data is there. This is time to learning the basic components of this window. There are 3 sections. Top sections is called a ribbon, and this middle section is your canvas area, and this area, right side area, is visualizations and fields, various charts, and in right side fields. Click on fields of the data. There are 6 columns. There are 6 columns: salesperson, country, product, date, amount, boxes shifted. Here there is 6 columns: amount, boxes shifted, country, date, product, salesperson. Let's make a chart. I choose column chart. Drag to the center and resize. Here is x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, horizontal line, and this is vertical line called y-axis. In x-axis, we can put the data of country. Just simply drag and drop. In y-axis, we put boxes shifted. Here you see Power BI automatically show the data in descending order. This is the beauty of Power BI. Australia, more selling, more shifted. Then New Zealand is less. We will take another resize it. If you have to change the color of the column, select chart. This is format your visual. Click. Then columns. Color is here blue. You can choose. I choose this color. Then automatically color will change in column. Okay. Resize it. Let's take another chart. We take bar chart. Then place here. Here is y-axis and x-axis. For y-axis, we can take product. Here we take product. For x-axis, we can take boxes shift. Here is good data. In left side chart, column chart, country and boxes shift. Right side bar chart, sum of boxes shift and product. Click on Australia. So automatically changes here in second chart. This is the beauty of Power BI. Click on Canada, click on UK, click on India in this way. In this way. You can click on the product 50% dark bytes cookies. You see in Australia, sum of boxes shipped, Canada, UK, India, USA, maximum boxes shipped in Australia. Click on 70% dark byte. Click on any product. In caramel stuff bar, you see UK and Canada. These two charts are interacted to each other automatically, just clicking in it. This is the beauty of Power BI. Let's take another chart, making space available. Here we click on line chart. Take this side. On x-axis, we take date. Just simple drag and drop. You see, here is the hierarchy: year, quarter, month, date. In y-axis, we take amount. Then go to drill up. You see, from January to February, there is a big decrease in amount. Then little bit high, again down, and then increase and down. If your senior manager asked you what is the reason behind the downfall of this amount, just click on this dot and right click. Here is analyze and explain that. You see, by year, quarter, month, salespersons. This is the beauty of Power BI. If you want to add the canvas area, then click on plus. Let's resize. Resizing it. Here, you see, different chart is in one page. Click on this, then change here and here. Click on Canada, then change. Click on UK, then change. Click on India, line chart, change. This is the beauty of Power BI. This is Untitled page. You can save this to your desktop. Give a name. My past chart. Save. Your chart is now saved. Now your chart is ready. If you want to sharing with others, your colleagues or your managers or anybody else, what to do? You have to publish here. For this, you have to log in or sign in. Let's go to main page of Microsoft. Here is product section. Click. You already Power BI desktop downloaded. Two or options: Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. If you take Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium, you can collaborate and sharing this report to others. In organizations, small or big organizations, they use Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium service to sharing their reports, collaborate their reports. In this way, you can share your chart, your work to another person. This is for today now. More video on next video. We'll see you very soon. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.